Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss class 11 math statistics. So dear children, in my last video we have to discuss why we study statistics. So we are seeing the measure of central tendency is not give the correct information about the गिवन डाटा. ओके, सो आपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में देख रहे थे कि जो मेजर ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी मीन मीडियन मॉड था वो डाटा के बारे में करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दे रहा था, वो एक रफ इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा था कि जैसे मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल से बताया था, द रन स्कोर बाय 2 बैट्समैन्स. ओके, लास्ट 10 मैचेस एंड वी हैव टू find their mean and median. Both mean and median for the both batsmen are same. So it is clear from the mean and median how to decide these two batsmen who is better for me. Okay, because both batsmen's mean and median are same. Clear? So we can say on the basis mean and median mode is not give the correct information about the data. Clear? So this means we need another single number which represent the whole data. This single number is called measure of dispersion. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss measure of dispersion. Means what is a measure of dispersion? Okay, measure of dispersion. So there are 4 types of measure of dispersion. Okay, first is range. Second, quartile, deviation. Second, mean deviation, and fourth is standard deviation. Okay, so in class 11 we have to study only range, mean deviation and standard deviation. Quartile deviation is out of our syllabus. Okay, so only we have to discuss these 3 measure of dispersion: range, mean deviation and standard deviation. So first I will explain what is range. Okay, in measure of dispersion, first what is a range? So range is determined by maximum value minus minimum value of the observation of the given data. Clear? So now move to the previous example. Means the run score by 2 batsmen in last 10 matches we have discussed in first video. Means batsman's age given 30, 90, 0, 64, 42, 80, 35, 117 and 71. So maximum value, okay, for maximum value of batsman's age score is 117 and minimum is 0, so which is equal to 170. But for B, range equal to, so maximum value in B is 60. Okay, batman B 60 and 60 and minimum is 50, 44, minimum is 46, 46 which is equal to 70. Okay, so range is 117 and range of Batman's B is 14. So here this two value, it is clear that the range this is also called variability. Okay, the range variability of the data B of the Batman's B is less in comparison to A. Okay, the variability of Batman's B is less than variability of A. Okay, so Batman's B is better. Okay, so we can say Batman B is better, but the range of the data give us a rough idea of the variability. But the range here in both the Batman, this is not give the correct information. Okay, the range of the data gives us a rough idea of variability or scatters. Okay, but does not tells about the dispersion of the data from the measure of central tendency. But it cannot give the data from the measure of central tendency, how much it disperses from the measure of central tendency. It does not give an idea. Okay, for this purpose we need some other measure of variability. Means this is not give a correct information, so we need to another measure of dispersion. Okay, so this is not get correct idea, so now move to other measure of dispersion. This is called mean deviation. Okay, next is mean deviation. So let us see what is a mean deviation, how it's work on statistics. Okay, how it's work in statistics. Okay, next mean deviation. Mean deviation. Okay, so in mean deviation we find the dispersion from a fixed value. Okay, we find the dispersion or how much our data is scattered from a fixed number. So let us see how it is find. So the deviation of, suppose the deviation of observation x from a fixed value a. Okay, let us consider a observation x and from a fixed value a, the deviation of an observation from a fixed value a is called mean or median. Okay, a is called mean or median, which is equal to x minus a. Okay, x minus a. In order to find the dispersion and value of x from the central value a, we find the deviation about a. Okay, so this can be explained by an example, mean deviation. Let us consider an observation 6, 7, 10, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12. Okay. Then first find mean. Okay. So find mean. This is fixed value x bar. We know how to find mean. Sum of observation upon total number of observation means 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 divided by 8. Overall this is 72 divided by 8 equal to 9. So fixed value means a mean or median. This is called mean or median is 9. Okay. And now find the dispersion from this fixed value of all observation. So here find x. So x is right hand side. Xi is right x 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and also find xi, x minus x bar. X bar is mean. So 6 minus 9, which is equal to minus 3, and 7 minus 9, which is equal to minus 2, and 10 minus 9, which is equal to 1, 12 minus 9, which is equal to 3, 13 minus 9, which is equal to 4, 4 minus 9, which is equal to minus 5. Okay. Here 8 minus 9, which is equal to minus 1, and 12 minus 9, which is equal to 4. So here cancel out 3 and minus plus 1, minus 2 and minus 5, 7. Okay, 7 and 4. 4. So here being mistake, this is 3, 3. Okay. This is 4, and this is 3. Okay. So 3 and 4, 7. This is minus 7. 2 minus 2 and 5, 7, and 4 and 3, 7. So these are also correct. So here we see mean deviation. Mean deviation MD equal to sum of the observation. Okay, sum of the deviation. Sum of the deviation. Sum of the deviation upon number of deviation. Upon number of deviation is equal to 0 upon 8 equal to 0. Okay. So thus find the mean of deviation. About the mean is not for any use for us as far the measure of dispersion is concerned. Okay. So here we see, यहाँ पे आपने देखा कि जब हमने सारे का डेविएशन का सम लिया तो ये पूरा 0 हो जा रहा है, और 0 होने पे आप इसका जो है करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन उस डाटा का ये फाइंड आउट कर पाएंगे. ठीक है ना. सो रिमेंबरिंग दैट इन फाइंडिंग द सुटेबल मेजर ऑफ डिस्पर्सन वी रिक्वायर द डिस्टेंस ईच ऑफ द वैल्यू फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी ऑफ ए फिक्स नंबर ए. Recall that the absolute value of the difference of two numbers gives the distances between the number when represented on a number. Thus, to find the measure of dispersion from a fixed number A, we take the mean absolute value. Okay. So find the sum of the deviation. We take the absolute value. Means इसमें फिक्स नंबर से आधा डाटा ऊपर था, आधा नीचे था, कुछ निगेटिव और कुछ पॉजिटिव है, सबको जोड़ने पे क्या हो गया, सम 0 हो गया. तो सम 0 हो जाएगा तो आप इसका डेविएशन नहीं निकाल पाएंगे. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसका एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना. सारे का एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू लोगे तो आप पॉजिटिव मिलेगा. 2 1 इक्वल टू 1, 3 मॉड इक्वल टू 3, and 4 mod equal to 4, 5 mod equal to 5, minus 1 mod equal to 1 and 3 mod equal to 3. ठीक है, अब इसको आप जोड़ेंगे, सबको सम करेंगे, तब आप मीन डेविएशन निकालोगे। यानी आपको मीन डेविएशन निकालने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, सम ऑफ टू फाइंड सम ऑफ द absolute deviation, absolute sum of the absolute deviation upon number of deviation, number of deviation. Okay, sum of absolute deviation upon number of deviation. Okay, so mean deviation may be obtained from any measure of central tendency. However, mean deviation from mean and median are commonly used in statistic study. Okay. So, dear children, now let us now learn how to calculate mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about the median for a various type of data. Okay. So now discuss how to calculate mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. Okay, so let us consider n observation. Let us consider n observation x1, x2, x3, xn. Okay, so in first step, step 1, find mean or median of the given observation. Okay, calculate measure of central tendency, means mean, median, mode. And second step, find deviation E of the observation. Step second, find step deviation. Okay, means step deviation means x1 minus a, this mean or mean, suppose a, so find a, x minus a, x2 minus a, okay, dash x1 minus a. And step second, third, find the absolute value of the deviation. Okay, find the absolute value of the deviation. Find absolute value of the deviation minus means x minus a, comma x2 minus a, dash x1 minus a. And in step 4, find the sum of absolute deviation. Okay, find the sum. Find the mean of the absolute value of the deviation. This mean is the mean deviation. Okay, in last step, find the mean deviation. Mean deviation means adding all the absolute value divided by the total number of deviation. Means this is I equal to 1 when this is xi minus a, okay, divided by n, and this mean is called mean deviation. This is called mean deviation. So write md is mean deviation equal to I equal to 1 to n sigma xi a upon n. Okay, so this is called mean deviation. So here mean deviation is calculated by mean deviation about mean is calculated by sigma I equal to 1 sigma xi upon a, where a suppose x or a, where a is mean, okay, divided by n, where a equal to mean. And similarly, mean deviation about median. Suppose this is median, it's calculated by sigma I equal to 1 to n x I m divided by m, where m equal to median. Okay, where m equal to median. So this is required introduction about the statistics, means of class 11 statistics. In next video I am going to solve problem based on mean deviation about median and mean deviation about mean. Okay, thanks.